All right, piecewise functions, you've got three distinct pieces. First piece is defined from -4 to 1, not including 1. This piece right here is really just a point, 1, 9, and the third piece is wherever x is greater than 1. Domain, you start at -4 and it kind of slides all the way through 1 and keeps going. So it's defined from -4 inclusive through infinity. Locating your intercepts. When you let x equal 0, you get your y-intercept and you get 5. 0, 5 is a point, no problem. Take the first piece up here, set it equal to 0, you find x to be -5, but -5 is not in any of the domain, but it's definitely not in the domain from where you use the piece. The second piece is just the point 1, 9. It would not produce any kind of intercept. The third piece produces an x equal to 2. If you let -x plus 2 equals 0, you'll find that x is 2 and you'll get the point 2, 0. Then you're supposed to choose the graph from that. Okay, well, hopefully with your MyMathLab you can see a little bit better than what you can see right here. This 0.19 needs to be included. The 0.19 is on A and D, so you just immediately would eliminate B and C. D, the 0.11 should be an open endpoint for the third part. So here at D, you should have a 0.11, which would be right over here, and it's there in A, but it's not there in D. So please, please, please be aware of all of that. A is your best choice. Okay. You want to find the range. Your range here. You're looking at the y values. Well, it doesn't really have a beginning location. We chose A, so let's make this just a little bit bigger. The bottom, it keeps going, and you're going to keep going. Right here, it seals all the way through. There's no where the Y there is 1. It's solid, and it goes on until it gets up to 6. There is an open circle at 6, and then it is just a complete skip to that one point that is 9. So that would be the range. Okay, and then it says, where is the graph? The graph is discontinuous, or is it continuous on the domain? No. If it's continuous, you should be able to draw the graph without ever picking up your pencil. And you can't draw that graph without picking up the pencil. And it skips at 1 is where the discontinuity is. And of course you could see that the definitions for 1 is here, and all around 1 is changing. So it lacks continuity. Now, at the bottom, I have done a lot of this with Desmos for you to see it. First of all, I've graphed all three things as if that were y equals x plus 5, as if that was just y equals 9, and y equals -x minus 2. I've done all of that. Then I graphed it again, given the limitations based on your domain that you were given. The first part is from -4 to 1. Then you had basically the point 1, 9, and then the last part for x is greater than 1. Notice how you can give the intervals here that specific domain is labeled. Kind of an interesting little thing to do at that point.